What's up, YouTube? Today we're gonna show you the Critical MASS 6.5-inch component system. It's got a really unbelievable sounding system. Excellent tweeter. Here's the tweeter, nice close-up, unbelievable quality. It sounds like a mid-range with the highs. It's just unbelievable, the quality on this piece. It also comes with a really nice 24 dB crossover that's built in. Really nice piece, super clean sound. All the customers that we install this unit into their vehicles, they're all very satisfied. It looks great, sounds even better. It's an unbelievable sounding system. The tweeters are they have to be one of the top 2 or 3 I've ever heard in my whole life, and I've been doing this for a very long time. Nice to install. It has a locking mechanism in the back that you just unscrew and then you lock it in for a surface or flush mount. So that's the piece right there. That's the tweeter. Beautiful. It's got some really nice weight to it. 100% neo magnet, obviously. The crossovers, again, it's got 24 dB per octave crossover built in. And these are the woofers, the 6.5 inch. I don't know if you can see them from that angle, but this is a 6.5 with carbon fiber. Let me move this over a little bit so I have a little more room. These are the woofers, very nicely made, heavy. These are excellent speakers, made in the US. Excellent quality. All the customers that have these installed really like them. They all rave about how much mid-bass they are able to achieve where before they had none. So this is an excellent speaker if you want to add a quality component system. They are a bit pricey, but they're well worth the money. It's an excellent quality made speaker. It's got a 2-inch voice coil. Again, it's a heavy duty speaker made in the US. We've definitely used these for the past 3 years, and we've had a lot of success at our shop. So this is a good quality item. Again, these are the crossovers that come with the system. Really nice piece. 24 dB per octave. Crossover built into the kit that's included. And here's the cover that I snapped off one of them. And here's the other, the crossover open. Really nice piece, well made. Nice and small too, so you can hide them anywhere. So that's it. That's the Critical MASS component 6.5-inch system. Here's a look at the tweeter again. Beautiful quality. The sound of these tweeters is just amazing. Everybody that has auditioned these tweeters have told me that it's the best they've ever heard, and I happen to agree. This is unbelievable, and we do a lot with Morel and some other high-end name brands. But when it comes to this component set, this tweeter you could put it up against anything, even the Focal Bs, all of them. This is unbelievable sound. But I'll list some more items here on YouTube and see what you guys think. Again, it's a great quality system, very well made, and we've been using these for 4 years, and they're excellent. Thank you. Have a great day, and thank you for watching.